Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a little tutorial, get ready with me, blah blah blah. Today I have a crisp cherry Coke float because I deserve it. I actually really like these. I'm very much the dirty soda kind of girl, and these are as close as I get to it without actually having to like make one. Today I'm not doing a wig, I just have my hair up in a big ol' messy bun. You can see my part there, but that's fine. I just wanted to do something that was pretty simple, but like hair and outfit wise, which I'm literally just wearing like a gym top, but with like these big old earrings, because this shirt's actually like a plum, actually it's kind of like a brown purple, and I wanted to have these big earrings because I love a bun with big earrings and like some really dramatic makeup, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm also pulling back out the Cowgirl Cuties palette and a couple products that we kind of like touched on before but didn't really get the full effect of. But last time, let's see, I did my empties video, but we didn't really like talk because the makeup times are our chit chat time, you know, our FaceTime. I was waiting to get my new tattoo and now I have it. It's this red-headed pirate, very much inspired by like We Want the Redhead from Pirates of the Caribbean. I just saw like a really light patch, sorry. And then my kitten, my cat's still away, so it's still a little peely and stuff, but it's got like treasure and the skull, and then we did like pearls and rivets all on her jacket with just like this big red hair and this like fabulous makeup, and I love it. I'm actually like in the process of finishing this arm. I think I talked about that in my like goals video, that I want to have this arm full and finished by the end of like this calendar year. So we'll see if that happens or not. The next plan, I'm going to talk to my tattoo artist, is about filling in this gap and then some of the space down here by my wrist. Pain wise, this tattoo was not terrible. I mean, I have this part here, so the cat and everything was fine. It was just this inner part of my bicep, like that hair, that was a little on the spicier side, just because that, what did he call, he used like something he made up, or like a specific term for this skin in here, because like it's soft skin, and that's the thing, is I'm gonna have to fill this all in now. Granted, oh, and up into the hat, like near my armpit, spicy, but this whole section is so big, it's like, do I get one big thing and just kind of like tough it out for one session, or do I get multiple things? I don't know. I have so many ideas of what I want to fill this with that I want to like give myself the space to do so. Today's makeup has nothing to do with any of this. I'm using a lot of pinks, sorry, not pinks, purples and greens. So I'm going to give a nice concealer base today because I want there to be a lot of stick-in power, and we need that with the concealer. I'm also going to try and edit this on my computer, which I think I finally got my computer to work with my editing program since I moved it, so that's exciting. I can finish the 2 Halloween videos I have filmed, and then this one will obviously go up first, but you know, Halloween, it's on the horizon in however many months, 6 months. But yeah, I went to the gym today. That was exciting. I haven't really like gone to the gym and done my whole routine in a while, so it was nice to go. I ended up doing like way more cardio than I expected because I just felt like good about it. So that's really nice and exciting because my gym has changed a lot of equipment and a lot of the layout, which is fine by me. I think tomorrow is supposed to be my leg day, and I think I'm gonna go actually in the morning before work. I think I used this green last time. If not, I should have, because it's really pretty. Oh no, I don't think I used the green last time, because we did like the blue and brown look. The blue and brown and yellow. So yeah, I don't think we used this green, unless I used it under my eye. See, my arm is itchy now because it needs lotion. A little patchy, so if you pick up this palette, just so you know, it's a builder. It's not a one-shot kind of color. I meal prepped today. I made a big batch of deviled egg pasta salad to take as my dinner. This, I feel like, is coming off on camera is very, very teal. And in the pan, it's very deep, like foresty green. Use the same brush and blend round up on the edges of this, just so it's not so harsh. We'll see how I like that. I have a game night this week. I'm feeling March, I think you guys could tell I was feeling a little heavy, like emotionally, and I feel a lot lighter this month, so I'm hoping that that continues. Just kind of like shifted focus a little bit. I have gotten back into my witchcraft stuff, and I know for some people that's like whatever, but like for me it's very important. Something that helps me be grounded and not let other things get in the way. And I think this past new moon, it was a Libra full moon, and it was a pink moon, and I'm a Libra, and I mean, I do take my sign to heart because I do think it reflects a lot of my personality, on top of, you know, just the woo-woo stuff. But I think it does. Like, I think I do strive for balance, and I try and help other people, and I am a, like, romantic at heart, and those kinds of things, as cynical as I am a romantic at heart. So I think all of that kind of was just being bogged down. And, you know, I did some ritual stuff, I did some cleansing, I did some candle work, and I'm feeling a lot better. And I'm trying to get back in my routine of taking Friday nights, even if I work the next day, to do my little like Venus day rituals that I used to do, because I stopped doing them. I don't know why. I think I just was like, oh, there's no time. But it's like you make the time. So that's what I'm doing. I'm also deciding I'm not doing eyeliner today. So I'm making this inner corner mimic the shape I want the eyeliner to be. Yeah, so I think putting a little more focus into that this month will be good. I think it's something that'll kind of keep me on the right path. And then I made some new travel plans for next month. So next month, you're probably going to get a lot more vloggy things. I hate when I do looks like this, and it's very apparent that like my eyes are two different shapes. Because my eyes are two different shapes because I have a plate in my face. If you're new to the channel, all of this is titanium in my face. I have a whole video about it. But yeah, I have a job that I have PTO finally. And I've already, like, we already have my birthday trip booked in October. So that I have to save up for. But I have some time now, and I've been saving up all year. Like, I have been trying to stay so motivated to go to work and not call off, and I haven't done it at all in this calendar year. So I know some people are gonna be like, well, duh, like, it's your job, like, you shouldn't be calling off, or that's like nothing to be proud of. But like, as a chronically ill person, that's something to be proud of. And I'm not pushing myself past my limit either with it. I think I've just finally struck like a balance. So that has been really fun. And also with my new position, it's a lot more stressful to call off for other people, and I don't want to screw anybody over or like cause more issue, because like sometimes it spreads like days and days and days, like the stress of a call off for various reasons. And it's like, you know what, I'd rather just not inflict that on anybody or have it come back to bite me. So this purple is so chalky and I don't know why I keep it around. Here's one of these liquid shifty shadows, and I'm hoping it doesn't pull blue because I want it to be like Maleficent green, which it is. Yes, so shiny. I have to find a good way to like blend this out. Oh, also I got new stuff coming for a cosplay. Like, it should be here any day now, and I'm so jazzed about it. And this color should give you an indicator on who it is. It's very Maleficent, like the glow, like when she just kind of has, like, she's leading Aurora away. Ash is coming in the mail too, to kind of help with some of my upcoming cosplay stuff. I'm on primer stick today because my skin just feels a little rough. I'll actually just let this sit and soak in for a minute, so I'll be back once that's done. You know what? I'm gonna sponge it today. I have a fluffy on my hand. I haven't done a sponge application for foundation in a while, and I feel like I want to today. Plus, I know this stuff is a little bit dark for me, so I don't want to go overboard. I just want to even out, so it can be on the thinner side coverage wise, because my skin, other than having like a little, like, it's just dry, it's not very textured or discolored right now, which is honestly kind of a shock. Plus I also got like a little bit of sun this weekend. Crazy. It was nice here for like a day, and so we did yard work and just kind of cleaned up after we had a really bad windstorm like last week, and there was definitely some like things that needed to be taken care of, so we got some of that cleaned up. I do the same thing for concealer. I'm gonna just dip it in my pot, go under my eyes. And I'm not underpainting, only because of this purple. If there's any fallout that's kind of stuck in there, I want it to be covered up with the concealer so it doesn't look like I got punched in the face. I'm gonna go into my under eye with this really light green. I think from the inner corner, like over to the middle, just to add some of that green, kind of make that inner corner look more cohesive. Sparkly slate gray, and again kind of connect it with the outer corner, and blend that concealer to make sure I don't undo what I just did. Real heavy on the bottom, just a little, just to define that lower lid. Contour. I'm trying to decide, actually I think I want to do powder first. This is the like little Laura Mercier that I forgot I had. We're just gonna powder this on. I should have done this before I did the other eye, but that's okay. We'll just keep it from creasing on me. Go up a little bit here on the sides into the temple, just because my hair is pulled back. A little contour, a little blush. I'm just doing my old standby of this pink because I want to use it up. Okay, highlight and lips and lashes. Yes? Yes. My highlight, I did pick a green toned one so that it'll kind of connect with the green in the eyes. Like I want it to be like a little bit ethereal. So I'm not going like the whole way down the cheek. I'm going just like right in here. Okay, before I finished everything, I wanted you guys to see the earrings. They're so heavy, but they're so pretty. And they work so good with an updo. So I am going to put on the lashes. These are just like my little half lash, because I don't want to cover up all this beautiful color that we did. And so far I am liking this new lash glue I got. I've only used it for the little like cosplay I did, but this is the brush on adhesive with vitamins. I don't know that there's a big difference, but maybe there is. I don't know. Just draw the eye out. They just shape everything up a little bit. That's why I like false lashes. I like them they change the whole story of what's happening here. Like, you can get really heavy ones and give that cat eye look, but I just want something a little angular. And then for lips, I'm just doing the Go-Go Guava lip oil from the Powder Puff Girls. Again, this one's a little green tinted. There we have it. This is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little update, this little get ready with me, our little chats. And I'll see you guys soon. Hopefully in the next one. Oh, also, thank you so much for 740 subscribers. What? Like, every day I look and there's like at least one more of you. So thank you guys. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're enjoying it. And yeah, let's keep doing this, shall we? Yeah. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one.